In early period, movies were made to make laugh. Chaplin was one, but there were others too. If you know who they are,
Hey, you
comment
cheap
below,
crook, that
and to
button's
watch let me
empty.
know.
That's dry
I will
champagne.
upload for you.
Oh, no, you don't. You want to get poisoned?
Well, I'm not sure that I'd mind anymore. Who's he talking to?
Salt Lake City.
Couldn't spare just a little sip of that, huh? Well, if the coffee doesn't keep him awake, the cup and saucer will. Wouldn't it be great if they ate each other?
But, monsieur, but,